Good morning. Today I explain you the principle of condenser. What is condenser? Condenser or capacitor, both word are same. Capacitor is a device which increase the capacity of a conductor without changing its size. Please remember this. Capacitor is a device which increase the capacity of a conductor without changing its size. Look the condition A. When placed a conductor with charge Q and plate A, named plate A, when we bring a uncharged conductor near plate A, the induced negative charge of inner plate B and the positive charge induced the outer surface of plate B. at this at this condition, the potential of plate A will be V. Now, suppose we grounded plate B. The positive charge of outer surface, they will neutralized due to electron coming from earth. Then the potential of plate A will be decreased according to uh, capacitor condenser formula. The value capacity of condenser will be increased. Okay, now we can write to explaining. Let there be a positively charged plate A. Let there be a positively charged positively charged plate A. There be a positively charged plate A when a conductor without charge when a conductor without charged placed near plate A. Let it be plate B. A negative charge induced a negative charge induced on the inner on the surface of plate B, on the inner surface of plate B and positive charge induced induced on the outer surface of plate B in the condition A. At this condition, at this condition, condition A in the figure, at this condition, assume the potential of the potential of plate A is V. Now on earthing plate B, the positive charge of outer surface of plate B neutralized due to coming electron from earth. But negative charge remains bound due to attraction of the positive charge on plate A. As a result, negative charge on plate B as a result negative charge on plate B decreases the potential of plate A. Okay, to regain the initial value of potential V, to regain the initial value of potential the initial value of potential V, the plate A can be stored. The plate A can be stored, या can be absorbed. No, can be stored. That is fine. Can be stored more charges than previous stored charge. Then stored charge. This phenomena is called capacity. Capacitor. This phenomena is called capacitor. This phenomena is called capacitor. This phenomena is called capacitor. Okay, I will explain this by the example. Suppose, explain by the example. The capacity of condenser C is equal to Q charge upon potential. Okay, charge upon potential. Look, in this condition, suppose there is the plate A charge conductor. The plate A store 2000 coulomb, and the potential of plate A, or you can say the potential difference of plate A and B, is equal to 10 volt. Then the capacity will be C is equal to 4000 coulomb upon 10 volt, will be 400 farad. Okay, now in this condition, when we connect this plate B to the earth, EARTHD, the outer charge, positive charge, will go to earth, or you can say the electrons neutralized from coming from earth, and the current flow from this, right? Then suppose the potential decreases to 10 to 5, what will be? Then the capacity will be C is equal to 4000 upon 5 is equal to 800 farad. Condition A. And condition B. In the condition B, how many charge can be stored? Look at the condition B. Here is a condition B. The potential of plate A decreases to 5 volt. Then what will be the capacity? Capacity 800. How many coulomb can store our device? By the Q is equal to multiply by C into V. C into V. That is 800 farad divided by 10, 8000 coulomb. How many coulomb can store at this condition? Because we increased the capacity of this plate A due to connecting the earth inner outer side of charge go to Venice, or then this negative charge reduce the potential of plate A to 5, then its capacity can increase. Now how many coulomb, how many charge can store this capacitor can be tracked from the formula Q is equal to C into V coulomb. Okay, I hope you understand the phenomena of capacity or principle of condenser. Good luck.